good to see you. I haven't seen you in a while. What are you doing with the first kit of parts?
Yeah, so we're actually working on trying to get this out to New Hampshire. The tote's been around the world at this point, and we're looking at how we can best get it out to New Hampshire for the 2022 first kickoff.
Wow, that's awesome. I'm really excited for the game this year.
Yeah.
What were you doing with it?
So we've actually had it out at the U of M Ford Robotics building out in Ann Arbor for the past week, testing out the new game parts for the 2022 kickoff event.
Wow, I've heard really good things about happening at the Robotics Center out there. What have you been working on?
So Ford has been really invested in working on the areas of last mile delivery using robots such as the Digit bipedal platform to test out delivering packages from your AV out to the front door, as well as robotics in the areas of manufacturing to make a really great factory of tomorrow.
Wow, that's really interesting that Ford's so involved in that.
Yeah, exactly. What about you? What have you been working on here?
Yeah, so I'm just here today doing some research, but typically I work in the new wind tunnel facility we just started out down in Dearborn. I work a lot with the battery electric vehicles. What's really important in battery electric vehicles is the range, and one of the biggest parts of that is aerodynamics. So what I do in the wind tunnel is I test to see different ways that we can lessen aerodynamic drag and improve efficiencies in our vehicles for our customers.
That's really great. So we're working on kind of the two key areas of Ford's efforts to make a more sustainable, technology-centric world.
Exactly, and I really feel like everything we did at first is exactly what led us here.
Definitely. So I think like with my time in First, starting out as a small middle schooler in First Lego League and then moving into robotics throughout high school and into college, I think First was able to get a lot of those key components of kind of problem solving, figuring out what the main idea that you need to solve for is, and then kind of move toward a solution.
I wouldn't be an engineer without First. My mentor pushed me to get involved in engineering and join the team when I was in 11th grade, and it was so wonderful. And I really feel like what I do in the wind tunnel is exactly what we did during competitions and during the build season. Everything we do here at Ford really relates back to what we did at First.
Yeah, definitely. So I think I've kept this tote a little too long, and I think I actually need to get it out to New Hampshire really quickly for the 2022 kickoff. I've been spending a little too much time playing with the game pieces. Do you have any idea how I can get it out there?
I think I might.